The Park Tool FR5 series Lockring removal tool should fit all cassettes except Campagnolo. If the tool doesn't have a guide pin, if the wheel uses an axle, you can use a threaded rod to prevent the tool from slipping out of the lock ring. If the wheel has a skewer, remove the springs and use that instead. If you're planning to keep the cassette, don't mix up the gears and the spacer order. This is keyed so that the cassette can only fit on one way. See the wide gap right here? You'll see a matching wide gap on the cassette. The new cassette is mounted onto a holder. Find the wide spacer. Somebody found a new toy. Match up the wide spacing. You can put a little grease on the lock ring threads, though the factory didn't. Tighten to 40 Newton meters or 29.5 foot-pounds. If the cassette is installed and assembled correctly, nothing should wiggle or move. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name Know How Now to find other videos, and thanks for watching.